Alright everybody, so today we are working on the brakes and suspension on this thing. As you can see, we got the tire off already. We already got the caliper bolts loose. Those were a 12mm. Those are already out. And once that's out, the emergency brake's probably holding it on still. You wanna, let me put a shock block up front of you. Why would you want safety when working on cars? Don't start thinking now, okay? Yes, you should. No, I will. Blinker fluid. Funny guy. You're supposed to have two bolts right here. We took one out already. This one's been broken off, so yeah, it looks like that. It looks like a Phillips screw. As you can see, now that the emergency brake is off, the caliper actually wants to come off. Oh, if you want to help me, I only have one hand free. There you go.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Don't care about that. Just wait, pull that out. Place both of these, if your kit comes with it, which I hope mine does.
I hope it's weird.
Now this, we're gonna have to take off the caliper bracket as well. And then we're gonna have to hopefully get this off. Even though this broken bolt is going to be a problem. We might be breaking this rotor to get it off this thing. Oh, let me let you know what size you need for. Okay. This is gonna be tight. It's going to be tight.
You don't know his number? You can't tell.
I'm making sure I get you the right size. Okay. But we don't have that much room for leverage here. Also, I wouldn't actually. Kind of okay, because it's not just hanging from that.
It is definitely still just hanging from that.
No, it's not. It's hanging from this here. Resting on the metal, so. Resting on the metal. Okay, that's not supposed to be that loose.
That's very amazing.
A lot of the bolts on this car I find are loose, so you don't want that. But it's nice for me when I'm uninstalling old parts. Yeah, right? They're really different. They are one ratchet. Like what? You saw how tight the front ones were. We were struggling. Rears, oh sorry, no, those are only 20 foot-pounds. This is where power tools would be nice, you know, but we don't have the luxury of having power tools yet.
What is power tools?
I don't know. All I know is hand tools. Take those two out, slide it directly out like that, and boom. Your caliper bracket is off. Now you take your caliper and just...
No, you
I'm
won't.
just kidding. It's not going to come off. We're going to have to smack it all throughout here. We may have to soak it if it gets stuck right around here as well. Most likely is.
100%. Not most likely. It's 100% seized up right there. Cord and everything.
Welcome back. Well, as you can see, we have all the parts we need. We got our ball joint removal there. We got the main reason this thing's gonna come off now. Yes, persuasion. We took apart the slides in here. We're gonna re-grease them, and we have new boots. We're gonna install those as well. We'll do that real quick before we get the callus rotor off, hopefully.
See how he's being generous about that.
Yeah, you can never have too much grease.
Don't forget to put your rotors. 0 grease.
Do I need to lock this thing in or no? Probably should. There you go.
I don't know, man. I don't think that's a good idea.
What, all the grease that I just put in there?
Yeah. And then locking it up.
I do not know if they lock in or not. Maybe it just locks in from
The pressure.
yeah. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna say so.
Oh no. You should go to school, bro.
Shut up. I gotta do my time first, and I got a lot more time.
Wait, you gotta do your time. You going to jail?
Yeah. Feels like it.
Yes, I guess the schoolyard is very.
I am being generous with this grease, alright. Maybe a little too generous, but it's better than not generous enough. So we got our grease. Tell you what, let me get a shop rag. Come prepared. We're gonna try to swing this thing off. Yeah, exactly. Let me hit it a little harder.
Why is that? WD-40?
Huh? Hold it.
See that? Straight up corrosion. You know where this guy forgot to get when we went to the store real quick?
There we go. Like I said, it'll be fine. Stuck on the bolt now. No. Not the bolt. And boom. Where's the old? Did you get that out?
Yeah,
Do you have anything for that?
yeah, the Gerber.
Old busted. New hotness. Yeah, say it too. Hey, rear passenger side. This is the wrong one. I'm aware. It's okay, we got one in stock. Don't touch it with your hand. Oh, actually you can, because we have brake clean, so. Gerber Leatherman, same difference. He's going to try to extract said broken stud. It's not going to work. Oh, he got it. Never
I'm
mind.
not gonna try. I know I'm gonna succeed.
Oh, the way everything else is loose on this vehicle. Do we want to clean the ABS? I already know. I guess we're gonna attempt to pop off this ball joint while we're here.
It's not really a ball. It is a ball joint.
It's the upper. There's no lower. This is the only one they have back here. It is a real ball joint. So I'm gonna dig through my inventory real quick of parts, see what's one I need for this ball joint. Get this beauty. It still has plenty of life left. Well, no life after we dented it up. We'll just put the new brake pads on. I mean the rotors on. Since my hands are nice and greasy. Here's a rag. Let's see if I can line up one of the holes for it. Yep, right there. So just put in the old factory. Like so. only have one. The other one was broke off in it. We're only installing one. That's about as simple as it gets. I don't know if we want to install anything else because we're also going to try to do the suspension while we're at it. So, for now, that's the end of this.
Alright, so now all we got now is to put on disc brakes because we
got the screws so it doesn't wobble. New plate to put on the caliper and on here. I'm gonna apply some whisper stuff to our brake pads, so we brake good. I'm just gonna apply a little bit to the back. So that's squealing.
It sticks, not squeal.
Okay, open this thing.
You put too much. Make sure you guys slight little dab.
Yeah, you don't need that much. That's enough for both of them.
Yeah, you know what I wouldn't have done?
What? What about a sandwich?
I could go for a sandwich. This man's making me work overtime and everything.
Shut the hell up. You're not telling the full story.
Not telling the right story either. I don't know what you're talking about.
Overtime. Just because it's the weekend doesn't make it overtime.
No, I'm talking about like since 4 in the morning we've been out here. No, just kidding.
I always want to verify. Old brake pads and new brake pads are the same. Still has 3 tabs. Don't matter about the line, it's just different design, but everything's the same there.
Or it could have been the same design.
Let me make sure I'm doing this right. I can't see. You need to see what you're doing.
And he also doesn't know how to install brakes.
Shut the hell up. I'm pretty sure. Can't see the bottom. It's tight. There we go. That's how it goes. Y'all see that? Here, I'll show you on the front. It's very simple. Flat, curve, rotor,
Finger in the way.
tabs.
Backwards.
No, that's just a little tight. Boom. New brake pads. Now, something I think we're going to have to do, we may or may not.
Oh, you forgot the tool. The wrench.
What wrench? For this?
No.
What?
For the extraction for the other ball joint for the other
I
side.
said, we're going to go to Sprockets after this.
Oh yeah, I can't read.
Can't listen apparently either. Alright. We may have to compress this, especially with
No, we don't.
just a little bit. So for compressing these, apparently, we just have to spin these. I don't know how we're going to do that besides hopefully with this. Unless you have any other options.
Yes.
What? Gerber?
Magic.
Gerber? Grab right here and twist.
What? No, magic.
You know, I'm about to just spray some lubricant in here and then.
I mean, that works a lot more better.
I don't know if I could use PB Blaster and a caliper.
We're about to find out!
No, we're not. I'll tell you that right now. We are not.
Put some brake cleaner then.
Brake cleaner? Seriously?
It's a brake, right?
For cleaning, I don't know. It might tear apart the.
It is. I just want to see you do it.
Yeah, you dumbass.
I'm not being dumb. Just trying to see if you're trying to lead you the wrong way. Alright, can I do it now?
Can you do it? You want to?
No.
Yes, you do. Is that out? That's out.
You need half of the revolution. Huh. So right about there, he should be able to fit in the caliper. And if not,
If your boot looks like this, you probably need to replace it. But you know what? We're just gonna hope it doesn't blow out.
that's gonna be another time for another video.
Let's see if it's enough. It's so close.
You mean it's there?
No, it's not.
It is there.
No, it's still too tight.
Hmm.
I won't say it.
Don't do it.
Alright, was I going clockwise or counterclockwise?
You're pushing in.
Clockwise.
Yes. Whatever that means. See that? Full force. He's struggling over here. You can already see the sweat in his forehead.
Alright, we're there. Maybe if the back caliper stayed in place. Pad.
It's freeloading.
Everything's squeaky clean.
There's no way that's squeaky clean now.
Okay, it's clean enough.
Not even that.
I might need to get here and push this caliper in more, cause
More than anything, you probably got to detension it if it keeps popping up like that.
what? The piston?
It's fine. It works.
Let me lay here. You go on that side.
Nope. It's staying right here.
Pretty please.
Still no. No, there's never a pretty in please. I'm saying that right now. There's nothing pretty about please.
Tell your woman asks.
Nah, that still don't look pretty.
Whoa, cut. Need 12?
Yeah. You forgot to add grease to the bolts, huh?
These bullets? Nah, I greased them. They're still red.
They're not supposed to be red, they're supposed to be silver.
This is obviously the one that was stuck. It's all rusty. This is when I wish I had a longer extension, you know? But I don't. Unless I have a deep well 12 that fits on this. Which I'm pretty sure I don't as well. Don't worry. We're swapping impacts after this. That is done. Give your caliper rotor if you can. That's just the brakes. That's nothing else. That's just to spins freely. Now, always good to brake clean your rotor after you just touched it. If you touched it.
That's why you wear gloves. But you know what? We're not even going to get into that subject.
Yeah, we don't have gloves, so we got brake clean. Get the back. You are set to go. One new brake down the line.